Welcome to Prom, Crown the Gown by Juicy Body Goddess, home of where you have to be to something to do something. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This video is how to lace a corset. This is the before and after, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to put this corset, the after, and how it snatches. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, so we just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial about how to lace a formal wear corset. So a lot of them are going to have these beautiful strings. Our pro tip for you guys is to go ahead and put a safety pin in the bottom of your corset string. That is going to help you lace. These hoops are very, very small, so trying to get them laced is very hard sometimes. So you're going to lace similar to like how you would kind of lace a shoe. Take your safety pin, you're going to go through your hook, and you're going to pull a little bit tight, not too tight yet, because we're right now the main focus is getting everything started. So we're going to go back and forth, Make sure that you are, if you start on the left, that you go left to right, and if you start on the right, go right to left, okay? So that way you're not doubling over. This is going to give you the pretty crossing in the back. Now, luckily, this dress only has 3 corset loops, which is typical for one of these gowns. Some of them will have more, and we'll show you guys a tutorial on that later. But this is your beginning stage. So this is fully laced, but obviously it's not giving her as much shape as we need. So to tighten your corset, we're going to start at the top, and we are going to go down 1 loop and pull across. Okay, see how that immediately tightens? Make sure you're keeping a hold of those strings, and then you're going to come down below, grab and tighten. You don't want to let go, because then you're going to lose all your work. We're going to tighten, and then finally come to the bottom. We're going to tighten. It is very important when you're tightening your bottom corset string, your bottom corset loop, that you cross each other, okay? Now this dress fits Miss Cameron beautifully, so her last corset crosses each other, which is kind of rare, but it's very beautiful. So that's just a real quick. If you want it tighter, again, just go through, tighten. You will need to adjust your breasts throughout this process to give yourself optimum like sittage. That's what I guess what we're saying. Give yourself optimum support, because that's the main focus of a corset, is that you are pulled in, and then your bosom is fully supported. So that's all it takes. If you guys have any questions, just let us know, and we'll show you guys a longer corset later.
Yeah. You may have noticed that crease in her back after we tightened the corset, but we had to tighten it up so we can fit her breasts and hold her breasts up, because remember, she doesn't have a bra on. And in this clip, it just shows you how after we tighten her up, we loosen it up just a little bit to eliminate that crease. So just wanted to make that point. That's after the corset.
Lift your little arms up. So as you can see, it brought her waist in and then supported her bust. And actually, stand right here in front of me, honey. So I'm going to pull this corset string. You want to get a shot of her waist. So I'm going to pull her corset string, and I'm going to tighten her, and you guys will be able to see her waist immediately come in. That's the main focus of a corset. Okay?
I love this dress so much. I love this dress. Everybody that put this dress on looks amazing in it. It's no wrong body type, no wrong anything you can do in this dress. It's absolutely stunning on you. I love it. Turn around and let us see it on you. I really like this one. You like that one? Is it the favorite so far? Yeah. This is your favorite. Okay. Let me just get into the details of it. Look how beautiful that is. And the sleeves are detachable, so she can take those sleeves out. That's the corset. Go ahead and turn around for me, baby, so you can see the light reflect off of that, the glitter. Look how it glitters and glam. I love it. It has a bone that has that beautiful boning that I love. In all the prom dresses this year, a lot of corset and boning is in. Then it has that wonderful split. Kick that leg out so they know it's real. But yeah, so I love this dress. It's beautiful. Does it give you butterflies? It gives you butterflies. You see what I mean when I said that? Y'all gotta understand. But it looks so beautiful on you, love. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. I don't know what else to say. She ain't took the dress off yet, y'all. Y'all know what that is. And she twirling, and she smiling. We already know what that means. It doesn't take a rocket scientist.